He is Happy, a dog left abandoned outside a cemetery on New Year's Day. And he is Mark, a fearful and isolated cat because of trauma. Every story behind their eyes are interwoven by the beauty and depths of love that the House of Boss saw in them. A shelter dedicated to provide solace to stray dogs and cats. This is Tahanan, a day in a pet shelter.
Ano po yung meron na cat food? Na para po yung parang per kilo po yung binibili.
Ano po?
Hindi po 3 kilos. Ano po yung under 100 yung po na toys?
We bought cat and dog food, dog shampoo, vitamins, and a toy. Overall, we spent 1,050 pesos for donations.
We already got the goods from Zach's shop for pets near the Antipolo City Hall, and the goods that we got were the dog food, cat food, the vitamins, and the dog shampoo, additional of a toy. Yes.
It was a 10-minute travel from Ansay to the House of Paws as they are located on ATV Adventures Rizal.
This is your sign to go to your local animal shelter. Hi, we are from Dog Curie. I'm Ira.
I'm Jane,
And Shaira.
and this is a day in an animal shelter.
Along with us are some cat and dog food, some vitamins, and animal hygiene products and toys. Okay. Ako na po namin gagawin ay maglilinis. Wow! Maglilinis.
Dalawa kayo, no?
Apo.
Bahala kayo kung, kasi meron sa taas na box, meron
Apo.
din dito. Bali, yan, itong dalawa, tsaka yung kitten. Pero nalinis naman lang namin. yan.
Okay po, tapos parang
Ganun din
sige
doon.
po. Okay, thank you po.
Karunong tayo.
Yes, apo yung
Oh.
yes, may pusa po sa bahay, yes. Okay po, tapos ano po, okay.
Ito yung lagayan.
Okay po, sa taas na lang ako.
Tapos ka.
Go. Excuse me! So, our first task is to clean the cat litters. And here's the top view of the location. Okay, so, alright, let's move on. Alright.
I actually have past experience with this because we also have cats in our home, and I can say that I'm used to it already. Hey.
We're done cleaning the cat litters, and they are now clean.
The caretakers instructed us that 1 scoop is enough for each bowl.
Oh my mama! Mga tayo ng ingredients. Sorry po. Sorry.
Hindi mo kakain yung isa.
Kagaga daw.
Di ba? Ang gagawin. Ano ba yan? Suntukan niya. Ayan, hawakan niya ulit.
Celebrating cats and dogs video. Thank you so much.
Already finished collecting the cat plates of the cats here, first floor of the first room of the cattery. Yes, so they finished their food, our pasalubong for them, and they're very, very, very good.
We're going to help Mommy Shaira.
Cappuccino. Hello guys! Hi, 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 hi! So, ano pong gagawin?
Bali, ito yung kanin nila. May pedigree.
Pedigree.
Ulam nila. O, tapos ito,
Okay po.
lagyan nyo na lang.
Okay po. Ilan pong ano? Ilan pong yung itatensyon?
Sige, ano?
Ibubus ko lahat.
Hindi, half lang muna. Kalahati.
May coffee sila! Iloy! For the go!
Volunteers like us.
Welcome naman dito yung volunteer. Kasi syempre, para sa amin, ma-antag doon, yung makilala rin yung shelter, yung house of spouse, ganyan. Tapos, syempre, para sa amin, makatulong the way na rin na kami as, katulong, katiwala naman po sa. Parang sa amin, makatulong na rin na if ever, kasi, syempre, yung iba mag-sponsor ng mga cards and, syempre, mas makakatipid na rin yung sa ano rin siya parang, ang boss din namin, parang hahanap din siya ng mga nag-sponsor para, kasi hindi niya naman talaga totally kakayanin, isa dami naman. Text na lang din kayo ng ganun. Kung saan kayo nakakontak, saan ba sila nakakontak?
Sa inyo pong dalawa.
Sa number niya na, diba?
Opo.
Tapos sa OM namin,
Opo.
nakachat mo naman.
Opo.
Ayun. Doon muna sa boss namin, bago sa amin, para at least alam nila. Tapos sila naman kasi ang magsasabi kung okay o hindi, bago kami.
Okay po.
Tapos tuturuan na lang din namin. I-assist na lang namin.
Okay po. Pwede po bang malaman kung ano po yung process ng adoption dito po sa The House of Spouse?
Ang alam ko kasi, may papers to na yung parang agreement. Ganun. Tapos, kasi hindi naman kami ang humaharap din. Parang ang inaano namin, pinapasa rin namin sa OM namin. Tapos sila ang makikipag-usap po sa mag-a-adapt. Basta ang alam namin, may waiver to for adoption. Kasi lahat din naman to kapon na, tapos inject na lahat sila. Vaccine na sila.
Tapos, chinecheck din po ba nila is able po ba yung mag-ano? Para po kunwari po, ipupunta po dito.
May capacity.
May capacity po na mag-adopt.
Oo.
Chinecheck po. Realizing that in the world full of animal abusers, there are still people who are willing to take responsibility of those who are also living. Salute to those people who took the initiative of giving animals a happy family. Volunteering in the shelter is a big accomplishment for someone like me who is also a fur parent and animal lover by heart ever since.
For me, it's a perfect 10 out of 10. Volunteering to animal shelters like this will open your eyes and your heart to the sorrowful stories behind every pet's emotions. It brings hope that there are people who are still open to see the love and care in the eyes of every cat and dog.
For me, it's 20/10 OA. Because it is a dream of mine since I was younger. Aside from doing outreach program for people, I also dreamt about feeding stray animals, and volunteering here for a day makes me feel fulfilled.
It was a challenge at first, especially for feeding the cats because I was overwhelmed by the number of them in a room, but we adapted quickly. The dogs are very kind to us even though it's our first time meeting them. It was very worth it.
Home is where you feel safe and warm. And for rescued dogs and cats, these shelters are their home. This is your sign to visit your local animal shelter. Give the dogs and cats the bliss they deserve. Be their home.